everybody, welcome back to our #_GoodLife channel. It's been a long time that I made any video and I shared any kind of review of any toy products or any books or any other products which I used to do in my channel, especially for the kiddos. And I was actually finding out some best time that what I can do a review, what I can share with you. And you know what I got again is this Intellikit product. This is again what I got it, and I was just surfing that it's been a long time, like around one and a half years that I was not using Intellikit. Previous that I was using, I even shared a video with you where I shared that how Intellikit is, what exactly the products they provide, and how is their products, everything I shared with you. If you have not checked those videos, you can go to this link which is in my description box and you can go and check out over there. So today again I am going to share with you one of the Intellikit's another product, and this time Intellikit is came with a surprise, and the surprise is it came with a Steam the one. So I am very excited to unbox this product, and I think more than me, my daughter is excited to open this. From yesterday I received this package, and from yesterday she is like getting crazy that please do the unboxing of this product so that she can play with that. So are you excited? Yeah, she is full excited. Okay, this time I got a combo along with this Intellikit. I got a combo of this sea animal stick puzzles. Let's first unbox this one, the combo, because I'm very excited to open this one because this will help to promote the cognitive and fine motor skills, and this also enhances the focus for the kids. So let's first open this product and let's see. Okay, so this product is something like this sticks. Let's open what are the sticks puzzles are. So your kids must be playing different kind of puzzles. I'll share you some video regarding that as well. So these are the few sticks which it came. So these are the cardboard sticks which it came. So you can see how they look. Okay, so this is different kind of, you can see. So these are all the parts of octopus. So four sticks. So the kid have to join it. How to join, how they are going to do it, I am going to share with you in this video. Let's first unbox. So these are the different parts of the octopus. So while playing we will just see how to play. First let's unbox all this. So these are the different sticks. So let's see how many are there. So there are 18 puzzle sticks. So that means 9 I guess, and each puzzle is of 6 sticks. Each puzzles are there. So this is somehow one is that, yeah, 6 puzzle set in one box. So this is first thing. Let's keep it back. Okay, there is something else in this one. Let me see. Oh, so this is for the kid to check that how they are supposed to prepare. Like this one. This one is done, so we will play it later on. First we'll unbox. Okay, first let's see what all things are there. So this is there. Let's keep it aside. Now let's unbox this one. So I have kept my camera angle. I hope you are able to see it, everything. So this is as usual how to use the Intellikit. This is for that one. So I have kept my camera like this so that you can see the products. Okay, so first is this kind of stickers. These are the stickers which you can give to your kids as a start, like for their boosting themselves. This is the calendar which they give, the Intellikit calendar. So week wise they give all the details, what are the different kind of. So it is not that only they are providing you that what are the different games they have provided, even they will be giving you an idea that what all the other things that you can play. They are giving each and every idea. Even this is just a manual how you can play Intellikit, like that kind of. So this calendar is very helpful, and this had been helpful for me all these years also, and this again this time also this is surely going to be helpful for me. First of all, I'll share you what theme is this. This is a theme which I opted for is Space Voyage. Space Voyagers for 4 to 6 years, as my kid is now 4.5 years old. So this is the one which is there I have opted for, and this is the Steam series. So this I am excited about.
I do, Mom.
You are also excited, Ashu? Very nice. So this is the first activity. So let's open that what is there in the first activity. So the packaging is like it would be a very nice packaging which they generally do, and I love their packaging. So this is that one activity number 1. So let's see what all things are there. Okay, so here you will get tempera colors. This one, be here, Asha. Yeah, this they are giving you a paper plate so that you can mix the colors. Okay, in this there is a brush also along with the 6 colors, the 6 basic colors, and a paint mixing palette, a dish kind of thing. Here they have given you that how you can do this activity, the guidelines. So this is a constellation craft. So this is the board for this one. So there are so many different constellations. So by this, even you can teach your kids that what are the different kind of constellations are there and how do they look. So this is wonderful. I'm just liking. So this is Orion is there. Cassiopeia, Sif is the king. There are different. So how many? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 are there. The paper quality is amazing. And what the kids are supposed to do, so this is a card base. There are the standing supporting stands are been given here. Okay, and chalk, markers, everything is given. So they will be, so they are going to do the sponge kind of things. So here you can see the different stars are given. So let's pop out one by one so you will understand. Okay, see, this is how the whole thing is. Now you can see. So what you can do is you can take a paper, a plain paper, over that just place this, do the sponge painting, and then ask them to join. So this is how, and they can do that. Okay, so this is one of the type of the constellations, and again, so each constellation is having this kind of, so you can see the dots and these are the stars. So just pop out and then it would be ready for the sponge painting. So this is amazing. This is the first activity. Let's keep it aside. Okay, so now moving on to the second activity. This is activity number 4. I got my activity number 2. So this is activity number 2. Let's open this. So this is activity number 2, and this activity number 2 is again, as this is a space related, so everything would be that way itself. So these are the different planets names, cards are there. And here is a kind of dice which they generally give. So this is also a dice, color dice. So you have to fold them like this. Okay, so there are total number of colors are 1, 2, 3. 3 colors. Color dice is there. One aeronaut is there. One cute aeronaut, one cute, 2 spaceships are there. And there is a dice, and this is a board. Okay, and this is again activity 1. We will also show that how you can play this one once we first unbox this. So this one is second activity. Let's keep it aside. Let's move on to our third activity. This is a third activity. So this activity is this one. Here they have given a wool. Okay, something to do with the wool. There are some pegs are there. Okay, one peg board is there. Okay, there are many cards are there. Let's see what we are supposed to do. So they are asking to make a spaceship's cards. Okay, so there are different kind of boards which are given. The pegs they have to keep like this. Okay, so they have to insert the pegs in this holes. and then they have to tie with the wool. So they will be creating different shapes of different type of spacecraft, spaceships. So this is also interesting. We will play this again. Let's keep this also aside. Now this is activity number 4. Okay, and this activity is, what is this activity? Let us see. Sorry, I got too excited. So what is this? Oh, one more wool. Nice. And there are many different kind of rings are there. This kind of helicomets kind of, this is there. Different, you can see different Neptune, Saturn, all different kind of, and this is a solar system. Probably we have to create a solar system. Space hangings. See, this is a central base ring they have given, a top ring they have given, different kind of space elements, cutouts are been given, and wool is given. So this kind of hangings we can create. See how beautiful, can you see? Yeah, this the beautiful hangings we have to create. So this is the 4th one, and the 5 to 8 activities, it is written that 5 to 8 activities will be there in this one. Let us open. We have opened all, so everything is lying over here. Let me open this. So here is Space Adventure with Eddie and Friends. So they generally give you one storybook. So here also they have given one storybook like this, Adventure with Eddie and the Friends. This is totally depending on the space. Yeah, this is totally on the spaces, spaceships, rockets, like this. This is one storybook they have given. Now let us see what is in the Learning 6. Okay, Learning 6 is about different space explorers, like different Milky Way, about Milky Way, this one. Then what is Space Shuttle? So different informative cards will be there, and the cards quality are, trust me, they're very good. It's still there. My old Intellikit cards are still there, and they are so good. You can use them so well. Now this is something which you can do it at your home. So they have given you alien spaceship. They have given you what are the different things you require. So they have given this, and then how you can prepare. So this is again good. Oh, I forgot to mention that do you remember in our last calendar we have seen the day 6, 7, 8, all this calendar for the whole month. So here they generally give you, after playing this, what are that on day 2, day 3, day 4, what are the different other activities you can play with the kids. So that information, that how you can explore, you do not have to do your mind boggling that what things I should play with my kid. They have given all these things, so don't worry, Intellikit takes care of everything. So, and these are the worksheets. I literally love the worksheets. The worksheets are paper. These are thick papers which they are made up of, but the material, the things which they give, the worksheets which they give, they are amazing. There will be 10 worksheets, and these 10 worksheets are amazing, and I love to do with my kids. So they are like aram se, like easily you can spend half an hour with your kids, and you can explore all these worksheets. So they are lovable. My kid, she loves these worksheets. So let's now move on, that how to do the playing, how we are playing all these games. So I'll do it one by one. So let's move on to the next part of the video. Come on. Here to share how we like this product or not. So we literally like this product. We both mother and daughter, we love this product. Did you like this? Yes. So she is still busy in playing all these games. So first thing is, what we liked about this product is obviously Intellikit. Every time they surprise us. with the kind of thinking they put in their any kind of boxes, the kind of different kind of series they come up with, how they think that okay, what are the different activities, the different experimental learning what they use. So this is what I like about Intellikit, and I'm sure that you will also love this Intellikit box, and especially this theme series. Now where you can buy this box, so you can go to firstcry.com, you can search over there as Intellikit. There you can see this Intellikit and you can see this theme series 1. According to your kids age you can buy the products. Like my kids age is 4.5, so I bought 4 to 6 years one, Space Voyager. I'm sure this kind of, they have the different themes. So this what are the different ways it helped out is, this will help you out for a creative play, a competitive kind of play, and different worksheets which I shared with you. This is all for today's video. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Ashu.